Hello everyone, and welcome back to Naturalhub. Today we're going to delve into something crucial: household items that could be silently increasing your risk of cancer. It's essential to be aware of these potential hazards so we can make informed choices for a healthier home environment. First on our list are plastic food containers, commonly used for storing leftovers or packing lunches. Many plastics, especially those labeled with recycling codes 3, polyvinyl chloride (PVC), and 7, often containing BPA or BPA substitutes, can release harmful chemicals like bisphenol A, BPA, and phthalates into your food, particularly when exposed to heat. These chemicals are known endocrine disruptors and have been linked to an increased risk of cancer, hormone imbalances, and reproductive issues. To minimize your exposure, opt for glass or stainless steel containers for food storage and heating. Next, let's talk about air fresheners and scented candles, commonly used to enhance the ambiance of our homes. While they may provide pleasant fragrances, many of these products contain volatile organic compounds, VOCs, formaldehyde, benzene, and phthalates. These chemicals can be carcinogenic when inhaled over time, leading to respiratory issues and an increased risk of cancer. Consider using natural alternatives such as essential oil diffusers or simply opening windows for fresh air circulation. Moving on to non-stick cookware, which has become a staple in many kitchens for its convenience. However, the coating on non-stick pans, known as polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE, can release toxic fumes when heated at high temperatures, such as during cooking. These fumes can contain perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, and other harmful compounds linked to cancer development. Transitioning to ceramic, stainless steel, or cast iron cookware can be a safer choice for your health and the environment. Now let's discuss sunscreen, a crucial product for protecting our skin from harmful UV rays. While sunscreen is essential, some chemical sunscreens contain oxybenzone, a compound that has raised concerns due to its potential hormone-disrupting effects and links to skin cancer in some studies. Opt for mineral-based sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide as active ingredients, as they provide effective protection without the same health risks associated with chemical sunscreens. Last but certainly not least, let's address conventional cleaning products found in many households. These products often contain harsh chemicals like chlorine bleach, ammonia, and phthalates, which can release toxic fumes and contribute to indoor air pollution. Prolonged exposure to these chemicals has been linked to respiratory issues, skin irritations, and an increased risk of certain cancers. Switching to eco-friendly, non-toxic cleaning alternatives can significantly reduce your exposure to harmful substances and create a safer home environment for you and your family. And there you have it, 5 household objects that could be silently increasing your risk of cancer. By being mindful of the products we use daily and opting for safer alternatives, we can take proactive steps toward a healthier lifestyle. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and remember to prioritize your health and well-being.